Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Stay blessed and learn your lesson timely. Okay, let's get started our lesson. Day number 7, workbook page number 55, 56. It is all about verb table. Okay, what is verb? You know very well. Verb is the word that shows our action and that shows our work also. Okay, ये हमारा काम बताता है, जो काम हम कर रहे होते हैं. एंड यू नो वेरी वेल दैट विदाउट एनी वर्ब आवर सेंटेंस कैन नॉट बी completed. Let's get started our lesson. Page number 55. There are 4 forms of a verb. Okay, first form present first form. Okay, here सुनना, simple, जैसे सुनना, खाना पीना देखना. ठीक है. find, flap, play, make, sit, wake, build, feed, have, get, run, bend, crack and hold. Okay, now according to the time, mean past time, present time or future time, you have to change the forms of the verb as well. If you will not change the form of the verb, you will not be accurate at your sentence making. Okay, so in the past tense we use second form of the verb, so here will be change in heard. Okay, and the third form, or it is participle, past participle form, heard, and the fourth form or present participle or continuous form is hearing. We add ing at the end of first basic form. Okay, now listen students, there are 3 types of form of the verb. First form are the regular verb, in which we will only add ed at the end of the verb in the second form and in the third form as well. But some are the same verbs, and the third one is irregular verb, just like this, get, second form totally changed from the first form, got, and the third form also changed from the second form, gotten. Okay, and the fourth participle, present participle, is getting. Got and gotten both are good and right. Okay, so look at these changes, learn it very well and make sentences by using any 5 of your own choice, verb of your own choice. Okay, let's read it with me, and if you have any problem with their meanings, you should find their meanings with the consulting dictionary. Okay, number 2, find, found, finding, flap, flapped, flapped, flapping, lay, laid, led, laying, make, made, making, sit, sat, sitting, wake, woke, woken. Now look at this change. Okay, waking, build, built, building, feed, fed, feeding, have, had, having, get, got, gotten and getting, run, ran, running, bend, bent, bending, crack, cracked, cracking, hold, held, holding. Okay, now page number 56. Now look at this irregular verb, throw, threw, thrown, throwing. देख रहे हैं आप किस तरह से ये चेंज होता है. इसमें आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत है, आप लोगों ने इसे याद रखना है. ठीक है. थिंक, थॉट, थिंकिंग, डू, डिड, डन, these are also irregular verb. Tell, told, try, tried, fly, flew, flying, this is also flown. Empty, emptied, hit, this is the same. Look at this. Glow, glowed, glowed, begin, began, begun, take, took, taken, shake, shook, shaken, stand, stood, steal, stole, stolen, fight, fought, put, grab, grabbed, and rattled. Okay, now the fourth form, you have only add ing at the end of the basic form. Okay, hope student you have understood it. Now learn it timely and make practice of it by making sentences. Stay blessed.